It's a hard image to get out of my mind, Mr. Speaker. Well, the CEO of Capital Health, Sheila Weatherill, approved Michelle Leahy's $7,800 visit to the Mayo Clinic while she was the CEO. Today, Ms. Weatherill repaid the $7,800 expense. As she received a $2 million severance from Capital Health, no doubt, Mr. Speaker, she can afford it. However, we still haven't seen Ms. Weatherill's own expenses, Mr. Speaker. Why not?
Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, as the honourable member knows, that information is available under the provisions of the Freedom of Information, Privacy and Protection Act. Mr. Speaker, I am not the party that makes a determination about the release of information under that Act. The honourable member is aware of the process, and he has the ability to access that information, Mr. Speaker.
Honourable member.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Well, that Act is to get information that the government wants to give. It doesn't prevent the government from giving it. Ms. Weatherill also approved the extravagant and outrageous expenses of another senior Capital Health official, Mr. Aladdin Morali. Will the minister ask Sheila Weatherill to repay those expenses as well? And if not, why not?
Mr. Speaker, I want to be clear, and I think you would probably caution us to be careful about talking about individuals that are not in the House. But, Mr. Speaker, what I will tell you, and I will confirm when I table the document later today, is that Ms. Weatherill offered this repayment on her own volition. She acknowledges in the letter that she sent to me that the payment to Ms. Leahy was an error, has apologized for that error, and has renewed her commitment and restated her concern for the interests and integrity of our healthcare system. And for that, Mr. Speaker, I do thank her.
Honourable member.
Very much, Mr. Speaker. Well, it seems to me that the expenses of Aladdin Morali were similar, almost identical, and yet the minister is not prepared to demand that Sheila Weatherill return those, nor apparently is he prepared to tell this House what Sheila Weatherill's expenses were and who approved those. Why not, Mr. Minister?
Mr. Speaker, as I attempted to say in the answer to an earlier question from another member, I have asked the former Chief Justice of the Court of Queen's Bench, Mr. Alan Walkowicz, to look at the question of the ability of government to seek repayment. We want to seek repayment, Mr. Speaker, for inappropriate expenses, and I've asked him to look at the law and to provide me with his considered opinion as to how that can be done.